What's up, everybody? It's your boy TuPhones for free, back again with another informative video. This is my full review of the Lenovo smart alarm clock system, smart home device that you can have on your nightstand or your dresser, or even by your TV entertainment center or your desktop, your office, what have you. It's really easy to use. It's easy to set up. You got two pieces. So you got this wireless charging dock right here at the bottom, and this main device right here. Also on the back, you can plug in a USB cord if you want to charge wired. And then you have a button to turn on and off the volume. And this is where you plug in the power. So, okay, so we got that all done. And I can kind of demonstrate. This is my Galaxy S20. Has wireless charging and wireless sharing. So I'm going to set it here to show you the demonstration of the wireless charging. And as you can see, this is also a night light, and I'll show you how to activate the night light. But when you get your devices, whether it's like your phone, your earbuds, or a tablet or a smartwatch, this will light up letting you know, hey, it's been connected to the wireless charging dock. And this is the main home screen of the alarm clock. Now, you got different clock faces. The clock faces I have, I wanted to show the time and the weather. I think you could also have a clock face to show the date. On top, you have the volume up and down buttons. I don't know you guys can see, but volume up and down buttons. And yeah, when you hold down on the clock, you get to your clock faces. So let's say I just want to change it to here. Boom, that's my new clock face, which I think is pretty cool. Let me take my phone off. Okay, now you swipe up just like on the Nest. You swipe up for simple settings. Change the brightness. Let me swipe up again. Change the brightness, the volume, whether you want to mute or you want to go to your main settings. It's going to show you your clock face, your display settings, your night light, your network, about device, send feedback. You want to hit exit. You want to swipe down. Then you can set an alarm, nap time, play music. Okay, you want to turn night light on. Want to turn night light on. Let's see. Or you can just say, hey, Google, turn on night light.
Turning night light on.
Okay, Google, turn on night light.
Turning night light on.
Okay, it didn't work that time, but you could do it right from here. Press on and boom. Just in case you can't see, you're trying to find something at night and you don't want to turn on the big light of your house or your room, you can do it like that. Hey, Google, turn off night light.
Turning night light off.
Yep, still not doing it. It's kind of weird, but all right. So just do that. Swipe off, and boom, you can turn it off like that. Also, you can swipe over here to get to shortcuts. Like I said, the weather, your music, and you can't play YouTube music or any other third party unless you set it up to your Google Home. Also, again, with this device, you need the Google Home application to set it up. And once you get it all set up, you have the controls right from the smart clock. But as for now, I mean, that, like I said, it's a simplicity smart clock, and you got wireless charging. Let me show you guys that again. Let me go home. Oh, go ahead. So I'm going to charge my S20 up. When that lights up and you see the little ring on the Samsung or whatever device you have, it lets you know that it's charging. Now the charging, the speeds of the charging isn't all that impressive. If you want what Flossie Carter say, shower and poop and shave type thing, then that's cool. Okay, you got 15 minutes or whatever like that. I say don't use the wireless charging no more than about 30 minutes at the most. You know, if you're at 30%, okay, that's cool. 30%, it boosted up to like maybe 45 to 50%, and then take it off the dock. Boom. But like I said, you can charge wired. Now, I'm not sure if it's that faster than the wireless charging, but you can charge up wired. Okay, and it doesn't say turbo fast charging or anything like that. So it's gonna take roughly an hour and something to get fully charged with the wire. That's your decision. It's up to you. But if you want to change clock faces, let's go back into that real quick. So we're gonna go to settings again. We're gonna go to clock face. You got different options of clock faces. Let's say you want the simplicity clock. Here we go. You want to hold that down. That's your simplicity clock. So, and then again, you can change the brightness. So we got it at 4. Let's give it 5. Let's go to 8, 9. Okay, boom. And there you have it. Overall, I've been using it. I use it at nighttime. I tell it to play, you know, nature sounds, and it's my alarm clock. It plays music. You know, like I said, the simple things. It doesn't give you, I don't think it shows you like Google searches or anything like that. You can't pop up a map. You don't have video calling on here. You don't have calling at all on it, which I'm kind of shocked. About, but at the same time, it's just an alarm clock with some smart functionality. You know, you can't check your cameras, security cameras. You can't, I don't think you can change lights from it. Like I said, I have it set up to a different Google device with the light settings, but overall, it's a simple smart clock, and it just works, in my opinion. Based on my usage, I had it for a month now, as well as the other Google Nest Hub 2, second generation. These are both second generations, both affordable to get. I recommend it. In my opinion, if you want to look, you know, you want to look a little tech savvy or anything like that, want to look futuristic somewhat, yeah, get the Lenovo smart clock. Like I said, this is one of my first Lenovo products that actually lasted me a while, and without me complaining about it. I think it's a good product from Lenovo and Google. So shout out to Google and Lenovo for bringing out a decent, you know, home device for your bedroom. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, you can play music on here. You can look at the weather, set alarm clocks, look at the time. You could do photos. You got photos. So, but I prefer posting the photos on a big boy. That's just my opinion. But let me know your opinions, your thoughts. If you got the Lenovo Smart Clock 2, what's your experience with it? What would you prefer? What would you want to see added on to the Smart Clock 3 if they come out one for 2022? Just drop your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my review. It's your boy TuPhones for free. I'm out.